Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me tell you how to use Emergency SOS via satellite. So all you're gonna do is simply go to your phone, and now let's go to keypad, and now you want to enter your local emergency service number and try to call by using this green button with a phone icon. But if the call fails, for example, if you have no signal, then you have to tap Satellite SOS button, or you can use option emergency text via satellite, and then follow on-screen instructions to hold your phone and point it towards satellite to establish a connection. So then you have to answer some basic questions, so some details about your emergency, and then keep your phone held up towards the sky. And actually messages can take up to several minutes to be sent. So that is the only way how you can use Emergency SOS via satellite. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.